masapha enzo coach Ndlovu mfethu.
Yeah.
I mean Shane mfethu. Mina ngihlale mina anyway I don't care over nothing mfethu. Mina ama winga bengwabukela before.
Yeah.
Wephethe premiership. Kusese Castle premiership. So
ngesikhatsini
pure no mina ngicela ungangifaki. Natural talent. He knows what is. He can be a team player. He can be individual as well.
Yeah.
Expressing himself. But he understands good.
What impresses
I'm working
you the most about Ndlovu?
If I rate his game, akusumuntu ozothatha abantu every time. He play 1-2 eternity defense. Bekale Sundowns ungene created 2 goals. Umshishi bekumela kore. He created the goal la kaMailula. He came second half. The whole dimension of he came changile. Last week playing against Kaizer Chiefs, this is the one who made Sundowns a core. Very offensive player. You need a dynamic, skillful winger. Like njoba ngisho thina as South Africa, we similar like Brazilians. Such players, they are so expensive in Brazil. I was very impressed. Yabona mina ngimshayile izandla le winger le. I mean, it's showing we don't often see such players. Umapene nje ku Sundowns, they don't give. I believe he's a similar type of player. Abamniki chance ku Sundowns. This one Diamond relation. Le is a player to watch now.